Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is another monthly collab for the Mastermind Influencers team. The founder for this collaboration is Really Good Living. She used to have the channel Lily Phoenix, but now you can just visit her channel Really Good Living. She has lots of beautiful content, and you could really learn a lot from her videos. She has a lot of videos, guys, and there are also 5 other lovely ladies. We have Creatively MsMe by Stephanie, Grandma Sandy, At Penny's Place. There's all Renters Live Luxury by N, and yours truly. We've been doing this collab for quite some time now, guys, and if you want to check the previous month's collaboration, I have the link on the description box below. Please double check. It might gonna help you, or it might gonna help someone doing YouTube. For this month, I want to go back to basic, guys. Basic. When you start doing YouTube, or if you are planning to do YouTube, I would suggest you go into the basic steps. First is you gotta think of a content that what you wanna put out, or what kind of content you wanna showcase. Once you have that, once you have the content, all you just need to do is be consistent in uploading your videos. Be active as much as you can. The road can be narrow and dusty and full of detours sometimes, but if you really wanna continue doing YouTube, you must have the patience and wide understanding on how you will be able to survive in this online world. Yes, it's not an easy journey, but no matter how hard it would be, one advice I can give you: do not get overwhelmed. Do not fake anything. Like, just be real. Whatever you do in YouTube, try to be real. Another thing, guys, once you get monetized, not everyone who supported you when you started doing YouTube will still gonna support you and watch your video like they used to. I know it's kinda sad, and that is why I'm telling you, focus on your content. Have fun creating your content, and do not forget to check the other ladies' video. You will really learn a lot from this group, and you can also check our previous month's collaboration for you to get more information and knowledge before you start doing your YouTube, or you can improve your YouTube through all these different kinds of information from us. Please do not forget to check the description box below for more information with regards to this group collaboration. Thank you and love you all. See you on our next upload. Bye.